This will be a simple video about the SAMA IM-02 model, a PC case that is built for the MATX motherboard form factor. So let's get a good look at this thing. The side has tempered glass. The back has many different removable parts. Looks pretty easy to use. It's my first build, so we'll see how that goes later on in another video potentially. On the side we have a lot of ventilation going through, as well as on the corner. Looks like the top has the same thing. You'll see the same thing on the bottom too. So we're getting a lot of good ventilation on this thing, I imagine. And on the top we have the power button as well as a headphone button. Not sure what that does. USB 3s. Now we're going to do some measurements. This thing is pretty tiny, which I'm very pleased with. I spent a lot of time trying to find the right PC case, and the main thing for me was the size. I didn't want a big one. I wanted as small as possible. And this was the smallest one that I could find. But the only videos that I could find on it were of the IM-01, its predecessor. So after much deliberation and measuring, I decided to take a chance and buy it. So here it is, compared to a full-size keyboard, and now compared to my Surface Go 2, which is a 10.5-inch screen tablet laptop hybrid. Very pleased with the size of this PC case so far. Underneath the top side of the case, looks like there's a dust collector thingamajig. I don't know what it's called, but it's pretty neat. And if you look real close here, you can see a little area where you can put your finger to push out the side panels. This is on both sides. And you'll see the same magnetic dust collector on that. I actually wasn't expecting to have those, but I'm pretty glad that they're there. All the sides are pretty easy to remove. And on the bottom you'll see the same dust collecting magnetic screen. I wasn't able to remove the front of it, but the manual says that you can. Anyway, I'm very happy with this PC case. I'm going to be keeping it, and I'm going to build it. I got it for $63 or so on newegg.com. It was a 10% discount, I believe. Original price was $70. It also comes in black, but that was sold out pretty quick. But I think I'm very happy with the white color. I think it actually makes it look even smaller when you have a lot of white walls. I'll definitely do a video following up after my build. I don't know if I'll record during, but we'll see. Included with the case is a little box of all the nuts and bolts, so to speak, that we'll be utilizing to put it together, which is pretty nice. I think I'll keep that thing. It looks handy and organized. And then also a nice little manual that shows a breakdown of the whole thing. And on the front page you can see that you can remove every side of it, including the front. And this is what was most important to me, learning how to install an ATX PSU, as those tend to be cheaper. And there you have it.